Well, I think it's no secret if you're familiar with me and my channel, you know that I'm a Toro fan. I like Toro products and equipment, and I use it regularly around my yard. And this year I've been fortunate enough to work with the Toro company. They've sent me some products to review and to give my opinions on, some of which I have given a review of, some of which I'm still working on. So lots of things to look forward to in the future as far as Toro is concerned, and my reviews of their products. I've got some hats that I want to give away here, and let's get into the details and get started. So real quick, I just wanted to give away these 4 hats that I asked the Toro company to send me. I said, can you send me a few hats to give away? They said, sure. And this is what I got. And I want to just go through these real quick and show you. Just to go through these real quick, I've got a black Toro hat. It's got red trim on it, and it is a Velcro adjustable fit. And then we've got a tan brown one. It's got a leather patch with the Toro logo on it. Again, Velcro fit. So the third one, I've got a gray on white mesh back, snapback, with a red Toro logo on the side there. And then similar but opposite side of the logo, it's a gray on red snapback with a mesh, and then it's got a little red trim around the bill. So those are the 4 hats. The way this is gonna work, we're gonna call this hat number 1, hat number 2, hat number 3, and hat number 4. The winners will be picked 1 through 4, and in the order that you were picked is the hat that you're gonna get. So that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Just make sure that you're subscribed, you like the video, you leave a comment down below, all that stuff. I will pick a winner for each hat in a week, and I will respond to your comment to let you know that you won, and have you email me, send me your address, and we'll get it shipped out to you. And I might even throw a little something in there as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys have fun with these giveaways. I like to do random giveaways every once in a while, just kind of spice things up a little bit, have a little fun, and give back, which is most importantly what I like to do, is give back. This community is awesome and has given me a lot of opportunities, and I want to give back in any way that I can, and this is a little something that I can do. So again, thank you so much for watching, appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video.